What happens on a rainy day? Say hi! Okay. It's smoky! So, I recently watched the movie God's Not Dead, and I got this book. It's kind of backwards, but yeah, it's the evidence behind the movie, and I'm reading it, and it's really good. This isn't a book review or anything, it's just really good. Okay, yeah. It's dark. It is dark. Oh, let there be light. And there was light. Okay. Hi. Bye. Hi. Okay, hey. So I just woke up and I'm just super hyper. I should go this way. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, and I can't help it, so I'm just gonna record myself and all my friends on Quotev or whatever it is. I call it Quotev. I'm in my room. Okay. Okay, on a serious note, I'm gonna be making a suicide video. I'm not gonna kill myself, but it's about what the Bible says about suicide. So, yeah. I got a friend who has a testimony about it, so I'm excited to record it and stuff. So yeah. I'm super hyper and I can't, yeah. Hi.